YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we are going to review the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank. So the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank actually charges through its own AC adapter right here. Just plug it in the wall, and the great thing is that it has the amount of battery power it has in it on a little LCD screen right there. It says 100%, so you know it's fully charged. And I'm just going to leave it like this for now. So on the inputs of the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, we have USB output. It also has a unique AC output on it, which can power up to 80 watts, I believe. And to turn that on, move that little switch to on. It has a little LED light up to let you know that the AC power's on. Last but not least, it has this awesome LED light. You just push the power button down and hold it down, it'll turn on a very handy LED flashlight on the power bank. And to turn it off, just hold it down again. On the side of the unit, they have two more USB outputs and also the input jack for the AC adapter. The case itself is rubberized. It feels like it's really hard plastic. And we're going to run the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power pack through the spaces. We're going to let it run this laptop, this regular HP. It's just a business model. And we're going to let that run the laptop solely from the MixMart. Now remember, the laptop has a battery in it, and this is just going to replace the power in the battery until it wears down and runs on battery power only. That's what we're going to test, is how long will this keep the laptop going until it needs just the battery power from the laptop and not the MixMart. I've set it so that when it's on battery, it will turn off the display 1 minute after no activity. So when you see the screen turn off, that will be 1 minute after when the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank has depleted itself. So you can clearly see that it's running off AC power, has a green light to say that it's using it. And we're going to start the stopwatch now. And we'll see how long it goes. It also says out for output, and it says 100%. So what I'll do is I'll leave it like this, if I can. And this will display the amount of power in the power bank. And this will say how long it's running off of it with the stopwatch off of Google. When the screen turns off, it means it's 1 minute past when the MixMart power bank has depleted itself. So I started charging the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, and I actually noticed that it actually shut off with 5% power left in the batteries, probably to protect these cells. That is a very nice feature to see, and as you can see, it's gonna charge. They say it takes about 2.5 hours to charge the whole battery with an AC adapter, but overall I don't think that's really bad backup running time for this battery. Still have the battery in the laptop, which will last you about another 40 to 50 minutes. Last but not least, for the final part of my review, the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank is also just a great standard USB charger. It has 3 USB outputs, 1 in the front and 2 on the side, so you can actually charge a lot of devices at once. We're just going to charge my Google Pixel 2 phone, which is currently at 82%. This is charged at 100%. I recharged it after a laptop test, and we'll see how much power it takes out to charge 18%. You just turn it on by pushing the power button. It says out, and it even displays 5 volts, 2.1 amps. It also lights up the outlet that you're on, which is pretty nice. And there you go, it's at 100%, and the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour battery is still at 100% as well. It is definitely excellent and has a big capacity for phones. Overall, the MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank is an excellent buy. Not only will it totally charge phones over and over and over again, but it also has the dedicated AC adapter out for computers, which is really what I wanted it for. I wanted something to power my laptop just temporarily while I'm on the go. It definitely is bigger than other power packs, but that's also because it's packing a lot, 24,000 milliamp hours. And it has 3 USB ports as well as a dedicated AC adapter spot with grounding. So it is an excellent product. I highly recommend this if you want to stay mobile while being able to charge whatever you need. And again, an extra special bonus is that it comes with a LED light, which could help you in times of emergency. Probably one of the best power banks I've ever used. If you would like to purchase your MixMart 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all the support. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.